Hello guys, so welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon so that anytime we drop a new content, you will be the first to be notified. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones. Okay, straight to this bars, we have Akuapem Poloo arrested by CID over nude birthday photo with son. Yes, so information reaching on TV indicates that Akuapem Poloo, known in real life as Rosemont Alade Brown, has been picked up by the operatives of the Criminal Investigation Department over her controversial birthday photo with her son. According to the reports coming in, Akuapem Poloo is being sent to the headquarters of the Domestic Violence and Victim Support Unit around the ministries in Accra. It will be recalled that Akuapem Poloo posted a photo of herself without any clothes and had her son wearing only underpants. The photo sparked outrage on social media and led to a massive debate as to whether she had done the right thing or not. After the post went viral, it was reported that the Child Rights International petitioned the CID to act over the matter since Akuapem Poloo had violated some laws and also breached some child acts. Rosemont Brown took down the post and apologized to the general public over the post. After she celebrated her son's birthday, she made a self-recorded video with her son in which they both apologized to the public over the issue. However, the authorities will have none of that. She's been taken by Dovsu's headquarters in Accra for questioning. Okay, guys, watch the video of Akuapem Poloo apologizing to the general public. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below.
I've not been myself, and the sadness is really eating me up. After I posted the naked picture in front of my son talking to him on his birthday, all that I want to say is please forgive me. It will never happen again. Even though I didn't post it for any bad intention, and it was out of pain that I went through when I gave birth to my son. I realized that the post was not good, so I took it off. Looking at the insults and the captions I'm seeing on my page, I've regretted posting it. I just want to say a big sorry to whoever I hurt by posting that picture, and want to say that it's not for bad intention, and even if not for my sake, the sake of my son. Chief, come. What will you tell Ghanaians?
Ghanaians, please forgive my mom. She's a good person.
Oh, please, I beg you, my son. I love you so much. He said forgive me, please. I beg you, forgive me. It will never happen again. It will never happen again. Thank you.